would post an actual trade today that we made using the chart setup from the chart lesson we sent out the other day. And if you didn't get that, if you're a recent sign up to our free picks list, you can email us and we'll send you a copy of that chart lesson that we just sent out. But today's LCAV trade exemplifies why that's such a good setup. And here you're looking at the daily chart. Looks like back in middle to late July, this was over $50. And then you can see ever since then it's been very weak. And if you looked at this daily chart, you would probably think, well, no one's made money on that. But we'll show you how we did today. We had it on our bounce play watch list due to the fact that, well, you can see the gap down from 28 last week. 4 straight red candles in a row, getting more and more narrow, which shows you that it's getting close to a reversal, or a possible reversal, we should say. But anyway, we had it on watch for a possible bounce today, which would have been a buy if it breaks its 30-minute high. And at the same time, we preach to our members we don't like them to buy higher day breaks because it's not the most professional entry. So we'll zoom in and show you what we really look for. There's the 5 minutes, and if you remember the chart lesson, we want at least 3 candles formed with consecutive lower tops before we'll consider a buy. And then we only buy when a candle breaks the previous candle's high. So if you look at these on a 5-minute scale, the high of this first candle is 1593. Go to the next one, 1583. So there you've got a lower top. The next one, 1584. So the high of this candle higher than this one, which therefore you don't have your consecutive lower tops for the first 3 candles. So that negates any entry using our methods on the 5-minute scale. But we still remain patient and we'll keep watching our stocks on our list. And as a matter of fact, LCAV, at least as of now, was the only one on our list to trigger today. So it was really our only official play. Now we'll switch to 15s. Okay, going just to today there, there's 15s. Now you look at the high of the first 15. Good time to show this video too. It's hitting new highs for the day. The high of this first 15 is 1593. Next 15, 1582. So that's lower, but you need another lower top before we'll consider it a proper setup. 1582, and then the high of the third candle is 1581. So if the fourth candle breaks the high of the third candle, because you have your consecutive lower tops, we will buy and place our stop below this candle, which gives you a entry of 1582 and a stop of 1559, which is what, a 23-cent stop. That's pretty good on a almost $16 stock. And that's the risk reward that we look for. And it did. The very next candle, we were sitting right on it with our order filled out, ready to click it. It hit 1582. I actually got filled at 1583. And as you can see, over the next couple hours, it went all the way up and hit 1719. Excellent gain there. Never anywhere near our stop. We were selling into this run, selling portions of our trade. Our initial stop went here. As soon as we started selling here, moved our stop to break even, and that never got touched. And if any of our members are still in it and want to, if it still closes anywhere near where it is, very strong, they could gap the last quarter or so if they wanted to. I'd like to see them selling into this, selling the rest of their position. It's got about 30 minutes left in the day, and taking their final profits. But this was an excellent trade for me, the only trade of the day. And we thought it would be a great day, great time to show you an example of the lesson we just sent out. And again, if you didn't get that, we'll be happy to send it to you. But we wanted you to see how our trading methods work in real time, or almost real time.